My grandfather was a mason. My father was a mason. They sling mud and they lay bricks and build walls. And me, I grew up seeing construction. It was always a natural transition to get into the construction field. My name is Clayton West. I have been building in Bayview as an iron worker. I'm on the job at 1550 Evans, building the Southeast Community Center. What I love about my job is that when you take hundreds of amps and all this heat and it's passing right through my hand to melt steel, to me that's amazing. Sometimes I space out. I just go and hours pass and and there I am. So I never get tired of welding. That's what I love about it. Knowing that I'm building a community center in a place that really needs the community center, I love the fact that I'm a part of putting this place together. I want kids to have a safe place to come to learn something or play, whatever they might have available to them that they don't have maybe at home. I want them to be able to come to the community center and learn a trade, Maybe they can learn welding at the community center. Maybe they can learn construction management or blueprints. That would be beautiful. Anything that could take them further in life. Things that other communities always had available to them, I want the kids over here to have more.